Here are some transfer punches that are adapted for woodwork. Sometimes you have already drilled the clearance hole for a wood screw and you need to mark the center of it in the next piece of wood. So I glued these transfer punches into file handles. They're 1/4 inch all the way down to number 6. At the top are 2 file handles I have with chucks mounted in them. It's good to realize that a chuck needs a hole just a little smaller than the points of the hex. So a 1/4 inch hex is about 280 thousandths across the points. The hole that worked well for me is 7 millimeters, which is 276 thousandths, or drill J, which is just 1 thousandths bigger. You want to glue this in with a hard glue. Titebond 1 is a little harder than its siblings, and so you want to mask off parts that you don't want glue on, and just go ahead and put it upright as you glue it with Titebond 1, and it will make a nice hard bond for you. Here's a jig I made for drilling file handles. It has a variety of holes in it which were made with spade drills, and you can see inside that there are smaller indentations there for the tapered end of the handle. The handle is held in place by collars, and I have several different sizes of collars here, and long screws. These are number 10 screws, and I had to drill about 193 in order for them to slip properly. The end of the collar on the handle has been covered with masking tape so that when it gets glued it won't stick to the jig. Here's a drying rack for the file handles while you're gluing. There's a file handle right there with the proper hole drilled in it. This hole is 203 thousandths, which is the right size for an X-Acto number 5 handle. I put wedges in it to hold it upright while the glue is drying. And when you're finished, I like to put little dents here. I file little dents on the side and wrap the thing with brass wire just to really hold that shaft in there. Alright, I hope it helps.